A trickling stream can be so peaceful to observe, and many other native animals find it to be quite a peaceful retreat as well. While this might seem like some place you'd only be able to find in pristine wilderness, there are a lot of creeks and streams like this in cities and maybe right in your own backyard.
Hey there, I'm Emily and I'm studying to be an environmental scientist at Humboldt State University. Today, let's take a deep dive into learning about some of the unique animals that call streams in urban areas home, why we do restoration, and what it looks like. Urban streams like this one in the San Francisco Bay Area are homes to several animals, and like all homes, they must be cared for.
Right now, we're going to focus on streams around the San Francisco Bay Area and the Delta. Here's a map of some of the streams that run through this area. A lot of unique organisms need streams as habitat. Some common animals that use stream ecosystems are water skimmers, western garter snakes, rough-skinned newts, Pacific tree frogs, and crawfish. You can find a lot of these animals in creeks and streams that run through urban areas. Fish also use streams located in urban areas. One of the most common types of fish that swim through these streams in these regions is the steelhead trout. They need clear, fast-flowing water to be able to travel throughout the streams to survive and repopulate. Many streams in urban areas have been modified in the past for flood control, but these structures do not benefit the fish at all. And a lot of creeks are not healthy enough to sustain a lot of animal life. Creeks that are shallow and filled with sediment or invasive plants do not make good habitat for fish. This can block a lot of fish passages, so fish can't use the habitat unless we restore the streams. To better natural habitats, agencies like the California Department of Fish and Wildlife and many other local agencies have made it one of their missions to restore natural stream and creek habitats in urban areas. Let's look at an example of what an urban stream can look like throughout the process of restoration. Take a look at the San Leandro Creek restoration in the Bay Area. First, they cut down the invasive eucalyptus trees. Then, they put support barriers on the slope made of burlap and soil, and planted native plants and trees to stabilize the hillside and stream bank to prevent landslides and erosion. And once all the native trees and plants grow in and the water starts to flow, the product is a nice healthy stream with clear and fast-flowing water that can support aquatic animal life. Now that you know why stream restoration in urban areas is so important, try to start noticing the creeks around you that you may have never paid much attention to before. That little ecosystem is home to many, and they need our help to make it a nice place to live. I hope you learned a little bit about why stream restoration is important, what an urban stream restoration looks like, and how urban streams are homes to several animals, and like all homes, they must be cared for.